Mic check 1 2 3. Okay. Okay, in the meantime, let's make it as quick as possible. Media server. Okay, let's stick to Node and let's see what needs to be done. Wait a minute. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Give me the package.json. Why is taking this long? Okay, package name, media server, version 1, description. I don't care. Yeah, I guess. Okay, and then npm install. While that's still doing, then let's have server.js. Okay, upload is this one, files is this one. Okay, then what? We have public index.html. It's done too. And then we see curl node fetch. What is this? It needs to. What is the best way to make it accept video files? They can be large. So video can be large. The best way is to avoid pinging big bodies through your app directly to the object storage using loads. And okay, let's. What the? I do not want to use third party. Basically, I am creating. Yep. Welcome to the stream. My own S3 kind of a thing. AWS S3 self-host alternate. What is this Miano? Garage, an open source distributed object storage service tailored for self-hosting. Host a website, storage media, and backup target. Perfectly fine. Download how this is done. Docs. Let's start your journey. Can I have, what language is it written in? It looks like it's written in SRC Web API. Is it written in Rust or what? Extra builds, release builds. M4 ARM, okay. How about garage? Thinking longer for a better answer. Yeah, I would like to have my own S3 kind of a thing because I need a media storage system for my application, so I was thinking to use one. It's going to be hosted in Raspberry Pi, so it should be fine. It's a great fit for own. You get a S3 compatible API, you host yourself, and do multi-part uploads, resume, run Garage. Do you plan to keep your stream this early? Kinda, yeah. This is actually, I'm late. I wanted to start my stream at 9:30, probably your time 7 or 6:30. As you can see, I am late by 1 hour. What is the use of Node now? Uh, can't I upload my video directly to the garage? One note on this is it might be nothing, but seems like their funding ran out last month. I'm not sure what the future was. I tried Garage and a couple of months ago. Seems like the most stable of the two, being significant time into it getting up and running and configured. I eventually reverted to WebDAV with R clone. What the hell is that? Maybe an FTP server can do it. Exactly, you can upload directly to the garage. Port 10. You don't need an API. Any client, R clone, etc. can put directly objects directly to garage. Okay, upload directly. Option B, put node in front. I don't need node in front. Okay, but well, I should get out with the morning routine. See you tomorrow. Okay, but how can I make other APIs? Pull info, pull media from it. Basically, make.com. I don't know if it can pull that module. We get a file. Oh, it needs access key and stuff like. Okay, option one, make a URL to pull recommended. Have your service hand out a time limited pre-signed get URL for each object in garage. Then make just I use an FTP maybe. How about an FTP? Make.com can access FTP directly. So I use FTP to put files and then use FTP to get files. You can do pure FTP, but I would strongly suggest SFTP over SSH. It's just easy for it's just an easy for make.com and drop zone no node needed. Okay, create an SFTP only user and cheat route. I have no clue. Linux easy SFTP. It's fine. We use FTP for now. Okay, configure. Okay, and then restart. Create a dedicated FTP user. Good. This is okay. Let's see how it can handle it. No, 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 no. Okay, working. So writable, local enable. Yes, 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 yes. Still trying to do its thing. Okay, and then we go to ls dot stuck. etc ls. Do we have the vs ftp? Why is it taking this long? Hey, 250 GB without any cost. 50 MB, 5 gig egress, 5 1 GB file storage. Is it fine for me? This is just not going to work. Looks like I do need to create an organization. That's done. See, this is completely stuck. I need 1 GB is fine for me. I'm going to delete the storage anyways. Application storage, explore storage. Okay, now what? Does it have make.com? Delete. They don't have a super base. Access a file to a user. Get public URL, yes. Then is my server down or what? Still loading. Okay. This will not be, this cannot work. Hey, Harish, so sorry, man. I was so busy digging deep into this, I totally forgot. Welcome to the stream, Harish. Good morning. I'm just trying to create a free S3 kind of a bucket so that I can use that for my. Oh no. My bucket access keys. No need read, write, and upload. Okay. All buckets. Okay. I have an access ID. How can I use it? Oh, this is the access key. There is secret access key and access key. Is there any other S3 compatible? No. Samarpit, welcome to the stream, bro. Welcome to the stream. I'm just trying to set up my access keys, API keys. I don't want to make them public, so that's why I'm doing it off the other monitor. But I don't think it's working. Okay. Challenges. I would need my own FTP or some kind of a server. I wanted to try FTP, but my Raspberry Pi Zero 2, I don't think it can pull an FTP server. We can see it's struggling to even log in. It did, kind of did it now. Okay. I would just paste this file and see what it needs to do. Is it there or is it not there? Oh, sudo nano etc vsftpd.conf. Okay, I got something. So I need to paste all these inside there. Did I paste it? I guess I did. Local enable anonymous enable no. I can just revert all these. So people, I'm so sorry. I need this FTP server right now. Yes, that has been saved and then restart. Okay, sudo sudo add user FTP media. Okay, I don't. It. What? Do I need all these? Okay, now what? Give them writable. Okay, we have, okay, now what? Test FTP on the other machine. Online connect FTP server. Is there any web client I can directly connect to it? Host, I don't know. 0.226. 21 username FTP media password. FTP instructions on how to access the FTP from Windows. Definitely this is not working. Timed out. User is FTP media for sure. Maybe that's my last expectation. Okay, so exit. Alright, let's close it. FTP. Okay, unknown host. Okay, login successful. So what now? PWD, okay, ls, okay. Okay. How to move this, how to move a file to this FTP. Great. Method 1, use FTP binary. No. I need to move a file from here, video processor. Save to FTP. I need to save this file to an FTP server at 10.0.0.236 with user FTP media. How this reacts? It's doing its thing. Load to FTP. Modify this so that the function will take the file path and check if the path actually has a media, and then proceed to upload to the FTP. Video processor, save to FTP. Here, try code upload to FTP. FTP.upload to FTP, and then we should have like what, file name or something. The parameters needs to be the file path. The rest is all static. and I will write in this file itself. Why do we need to import all those new extra things? It is the modified. Dun, 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 dun. Password needs to come from an env. Dot env. There should be env hide. How does it do that? Just install it, it's fine. Okay, and then just testing if the extension is working fine or not. View command panel, install extension, search for .env, select official .env and ensure usage. Just open the .env file in VS Code and then you will see the syntax working. Okay. Oh, this is different. Oh, I think it's working. Okay. Just so you know, I would like to. How can I view it? Completion, course, speaking. How can I view it? Oh, no, it's there. Okay, okay. Okay, my env is cloaked. Wonderful. Accept exception. Accept exception. Erase. Upload. Okay. Here, what it needs to do is this is fine. This is fine. I need to import the env. Import the env and use the .env file. Come on, do it. Okay, it does import. It also loads the env, and then yeah, that's what I needed. How does it know which one? Yep, what it's needed as well. Oh yeah, okay. Probably FTP password. I know what the password is. That's done. So far, so good. Now all I need to do is just to see if this is working fine or not. Less. So where is the state? Copied. What is the spelling of copied? Yeah. Python video processor.py. Might take a bit of time. So, oh, I forgot. File path is needed. Then why it would not throw me an error for this? Where is the altered file path? So I need basically file path. Final video equals to. Hey Cypher, Manthan, welcome back. What happened to my mouse? Okay. altered. I think this is the final video I get. It is of mkv file. Base file name altered. Yep. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. I need to install pip.env. Okay. I'm not listening to the song anyway, so close. Oh, this is bot. Keep it up. I don't know what is this. Pip install dot env. Oh, no. Okay, that's done. Just for our safety, let's open a new terminal. Python video processor.py. Running command, found a WAV file. It's doing its thing, so let's give it some time. Until then, good morning, Cypher. How are you doing? Did you have good sleep? Transition, hello. Yeah. I know about it. I just want them to be uploaded. Okay, bye. If I upload any offline videos, would you able to be watch at least at that time? All the best for your exam, bro. Doing its thing. Maybe, yeah, no problem. It's hitting 4.7 gigahertz. Fine, let it done. I ultimately want to just see. I would like to have a voice command GIF, but I don't know how to. I mean, how was that even working? I mean, how was that even being loaded? Maybe I can try doing it. Yeah, maybe I can try doing it. Okay, so inside streams, let's go to stream edit or video processor, stream assistant, alerts, static, custom GIFs, chat GIFs. I think that's chat GIF. Okay, I need a WebSocket event type. Give me a simple CLI way in Windows 2. Trigger and send a message to this WebSocket with so that a GIF can be shown. Install what? Okay. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Terminal. Install this one and then type ding ding ding. I want to send a GIF with my voice. I say a word and that word needs to be sent in the, what is it called? WebSocket. Yeah, of course you need to think a little bit. Is this a second video? Was there an error before I got the response? This is the gamma response. File uploaded successfully. Okay. Connected. Okay. FTP 36. Reconnect. How can I reconnect? Dude, something wrong with my typing. say connect. Once you have the install window, okay, we need to say bye FTP. Okay. I don't know if that's working or not. I'm getting a lot of messages. Login successful, pwd, okay, ls. I see 2 files, so that means the data is working. Now, as this is being hosted in a Raspberry Pi, how can I access this FTP from outside internet? I do have an caddy reverse proxy. But how does it know? Okay, what? Combine with Garage. I don't want to combine with Garage, but how can I make this thing work? Can I try the other way? This is what I expected. I do not see it. What port? So you have caddy. Okay. Yeah. For the FTP, I think it's 21. How many zeros are there? 40,000. Okay, so how can I do this easily without port forwarding but with carry? Huh. How did can I use it as an FTP? Can we try? Can I use it as an FTP? Okay, it only serves files over not an FTP protocol. What does file server do? Static serve static files from a directory like a website or file share. Can provide a browsable. Okay, supports hiding files. Works HTTP automatically. Okay, but can I make an API call and get that file? That's the ultimate. Yes. Cool. Let's use this then. I don't need an FTP, stupid FTP. I can do this. cd etc cd caddy ls sudo nano caddy file. I might need to, 1 second, people. Can I connect it from my VS Code? It will be really easy. New window. Thank you so much. Change profile to default and then connect it to a remote explorer. Yes, please. Might take a little bit of time, but it should. Is it done or is it not done? Where is this file path? Okay, let's do normally. What is the file path? I want to save it in a file. Can it also act? Path of this is okay. The public URL maps to the okay. But I understand we can get the file, but can we post or save the file? Read only, okay. Okay, fine. We don't have to deal with that for now. Taking forever to load. Hello. Taking forever to load. Come on, dude. Okay, and then cd etc caddy. It should be going inside caddy, and then sudo nano caddy file. The moment it opens up, I would like to save it. Is there any other media? Just to confirm, let's see. Oh, nothing is there, so it's fine. Sudo system carry stop, carry start. Okay, where did it go? What's the problem here? I do not understand. Permission denied. There is a file server already. It's not true. These are working. It looks like 80 is. What is that? I do not understand. It says something about. Permission denied. Sudo carry restart. Sudo carry start. Okay. If that's the case, I would really want to try it one more time. Oh, is it working or what? That kind of works. Maybe I misspelled something. Everything seems fine. I have no remorse of what's the change. Same. Okay, there should be another easier way to do this. Hey, how can I log? How to see live caddy logs? Is it not working or is it working? Okay, it did work. Okay, so now we see. And why is this thing not working? Is this dude, I don't see caddy files. To enable basic auth, you need to. I don't need any auth. I'm not getting it. Dude. 36, 80. Even this is not found. Why? ED, ETC, carry. Oh. Sudo nano carry file. Question is, how can I reach this? I can reach all other except media. Move to a higher port. Restrict to local host. That's the case. That is running in the background. Okay. It's working. Yeah, not working. Why? Oop. Should be a DNS in registration. No. I totally forgot. Home. Okay, this one here and a DNS. A DNS only. Do I have any media? Don't have any media. Everything is working except that one. Like it. We'll see if there is any other alternate. Unless so cd dot dot cdv sftp there should be v, yeah, v sudo nano vsftp command would d.conf. Okay. Does it matter if I change it to 39,000 to 39,000 to 40,000? Buffer, yes. vsftp. How can I restart vsftp config changes? There should be a stupid command. Okay, sudo restart. Like it's done. Okay, let's give it a rough try. TP. I don't remember. Okay. I do not understand the meaning of this. Got it. Means that your FTP server aren't negotiating the data channel correctly. The FTP has two channels. Control, your login works fine. The data failing to okay. I have set it to 39,000 and 40,000. Perfect. That's exactly what you need. Define a passive range of mode, and if you only want okay, and your server IP. I mean, maybe that is needed. What is that do? Explained isn't installed in Raspberry Pi. Okay. Check if you need any. Raspberry Pi is inside a homeland and the router is firewall is in play. You don't need. Okay. To 21, and that's what I did. It's 11:30 already. Maybe in the meantime I can make this one work fine. Video processor upload to FTP, or maybe can make a make.py figure UI. Give me a simple Python import request and make a webhook request to submit. I do not know what was it. Stream media server, no. Stream assistant alerts, no. It's in the gear. I Amazon Auto, yeah, that's name. Then server routes, make endpoints. Refer to this code, but I need Python version. Just thinking. I don't need Flask, dude. No luck, it's still. Does anyone have a good understanding about FTP? Try to use passive command like ls. Okay, oh. For FTP, okay, suppose I have to log in, type port. I don't see anything. Passive enabled, yes. Let me see if I have it or not. Okay, I have passive enabled, yes. I'll give it to this. Maybe it can understand something. Won't help. It's okay. I'm not sure. Yes, sorry. The answer 50p. Fail to establish connection. Well, that is what it's needed. Save address and set it equals to mine. Okay, let me set it. Then looks like this optional if s is a host name now. Once that is done, I'll just do it one more time. Okay, FTP by. Yeah. Okay. Use passive mode. What was the other one? Code QUOTE PSPSV. No, still not working. Stop time. Okay. And what are my options here? Okay, what else I have instead of FTP? Free HTTP based file storage. How can I have a file storage based system where any file can be get using a HTTP service? I can move my stuff using FTP needed to be, and then we can analyze it. Was 40. Hey, finally my first like, man, after a very long time. Okay, second like too. Thank you so much. What was I trying to do? Yes. Yeah, where is the conversation? Caddy read only file storage. I don't need Caddy now. Content address storage. List table links. How about basic HTTP using Node.js, where it will let anyone fetch a file in a given directory? Yep, you can do that very easily. Thanks for the like. So far so good. Using Express simpler if it, I mean, it's less code, so I don't mind. Can I use is there any way to have a default default server in Linux where it will host a HTTP server for a directory and allows to read files from it, and with direct URL we can download or file. Yes, you don't need to write a code at all. Python, what? Built-in Python, built-in web server. Okay. This thing is not working. For example, that thing is not working. No problem. Let's see with this one. On F, and then we can revert this to my ports were like 40,000 to 4100. Just so that, just wanted to make that cd dot ls, cd home ls, and then cd ftp. What? Take whole, I don't mind. CD, make dir media. Is that possible? Python, what was it? Just for testing. I don't know how it even works. I don't even know if Python is installed in my Raspberry Pi. It seems to be installed, okay. So I need to move this to this file. Instead of FTP, use save file. Video processor. The problem is, yeah, save to FTP. Instead of FTP, I need to use SSH and move the file and copy the file. Let's see, while that's being done, I would like to check if this is working. 8060, that's the... I have too many things open. Literally too many things. 236, 8060. Working fine. All I need to do is move files from here to that one. Did I create a file? No. SSH copy .py. Dude. SSH copy .py. How can I delete this stupid thing and then create one SSH copy .py? Rename SSH copy .py and then paste it here. What is it missing? These are all needs to be static, and then we can just say SSH host 10.0.0.236 user. What else? SSH password. What else? Remote file path. Is it? Yeah, okay, yeah, that is needed. Those are the only things. And then base name. Oh, we can just place it from here to here. Okay. Okay, let me use my envs for a minute. People, I'll be back. So why can't it open in a new window? Where is it? Oh, it did. Sorry. SSH password. I think this is the one. And then what else? I don't know the path. Where is the FTP? I need all these. And basically we need to use the same here. Which password equals to hey os.getInv. Probably I need this os as well. So let's here, and then instead of this we pass in this is not working, then something is fishy. I need this as well. Okay. Hey, thanks for the like, whoever did it. Thank you so much. What the hell did it know? SSH underscore user. Okay, that's totally fine. Thanks for 4 likes, guys. So I need the path now. So I have no idea how to get the damn path. So we keep it running, I guess, and then oh, I need to keep this server running all the time, even after restart. Dude, I have to create a service. Okay. Did it work? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, reload daemon. I need to do all these. I think did work. Okay, and then enable simple HTML. Oh, didn't do. Then also done check log. I don't need it. Test it. Yep, it's working fine. And that's it, I guess. Okay, that is kind of working. Now I need to do is just a bit. So far so good. So far so good. I have the files. Now what? Oh, I don't have the path. This is the path. More directory. This is the path where the file needs to go and sit. Let's wait for it. Wait, it needs to. The reason I don't understand is, does it need file path or does it need file name or entire file path? I think it's supposed to have file name, not path. Entire file path. Oh, it extract the only the entire base name. Okay, okay, okay. And then it's a local file path. Okay, this seems fine. All I need to do is provide this one. Video processor, FTP. Okay. I don't need all these. Remote. I don't need all that too. Only one path, that is local file path, and then it should be. I don't need this one. Yeah, basically that's it. I don't need the FTP anymore. See, of course we need to put this logic, then run the command one more time. Did I stop it for some reason? No. My voice is not. I'm so sorry, guys. I was so busy doing the program, I just forgot. Are you using Pro version for what? Yeah, GitHub. I'm Copilot. I'm using Pro. Big chill. What are we building? I am building the same thing which we discussed yesterday. The challenge now I'm facing is the file transfer. So YouTube API doesn't work for me. It's not working. I took enough time, so I moved from YouTube API to make.com. That's a new platform. So this is the idea behind it. So what I'm going to do it, once my video is ready, I will move that file. So how can I explain to you? So the challenge comes in this way. So the video file is ready. Okay. I need to basically send it to YouTube, but I cannot directly make API calls to YouTube. So I'm using a third-party service called make.com. Okay. The problem is this people cannot accept the video directly. So I need to pass in a URL so that they will make a call to this URL, which will return the direct video file. That's the option. If you're thinking, why not just send a binary data inside the post request? The limit is 5 megabytes. I don't want that too. So my videos are clearly more than 5 megabytes. So now where to host this URL? I cannot keep my gaming PC on all the time. I cannot keep my streaming PC on all the time. There is only option is my Raspberry Pi. That's what I was trying. So first I tried an S3 self-hosted version because make.com officially supports S3 compatible services, but it's painful. Then I moved to FTP, but they can make directly calls to FTPs, but I need to port forward stuff like those, too complicated, stopping it. But then comes a direct HTTP. So what I'm doing is I am using SSH to move the video file from my gaming PC to my streaming PC. Sorry, my Raspberry Pi. And it goes and sits in one directory, and that directory will be allowed by anyone in the world, so that make.com can fetch that video file using the URL. So with the URL, it's going to get the file from the HTTP server, but I'm going to use the SSH to post the file to that directory. That's what I'm doing. So let me see. I should have started the server. So now the video processing is okay. Pip install Paramiko, doing its thing. Okay, now that's done. All we need to do is start the video processor, and let's see what happens. It's going to get the video, transcribe it, do its thing. I think I can use 4B. Yeah, the first video should be a bit fast than this. Big chill, or is Altri, can you hear my microphone better now, or is it still glitchy? Maybe I will try to listen to myself. I'll open it in another window so that you guys don't get that effect. Oh yeah. Yeah, I see the problem now. Probably must have been fixed. There is a issue with the voice meter. I hate this. Hey, that's just for me. I don't think that would be causing for you. Hope that's fine. Okay, is there an error somewhere here? Okay. File has been uploaded, the file to this one. So now we should be able to see those files in the directory like we do. I see. Now we can directly download the file. So this path needs to be basically sent to the make.com. So let's do that. Okay, where is the video processor? And then after the SSH, send the webhook, or we can say trigger the webhook to upload to YouTube. So now the game begins. Try. I don't need all these. Didn't I not import it? Import, or we can say from trigger make import trigger. Is that the function? Oh no. Fuck. Give me a simple Python import request code to make a post request for a URL. In the meantime, let me open the other project so that stream assistant. No, it should be in the auto Amazon Auto Go server routes make dot endpoints. So what did I do here is I take these properties and then post it inside. Where am I even triggering it? Make endpoints process make function to accept the get request from. Okay, this is not the one. Media deal. No media. How post deal, and then we do trigger webhook. This is the one. Okay, we need to go to internals and then utils, trigger webhook. Okay, this is what I need to do. Basically just do this. Okay, fine. I go to my webhook. 1 second guys, this cannot be shown here. Sorry about that. In the webhooks copy, I think it's fine. I don't, no one would be doing it anyways. So video processor, save it, trigger make. Make hook. Okay, that's fine, and then we can use the same things we did. Import OS, import .env, and then load. Hey, what was the function which we use it? os.get env. No. Make hook. I think this is the one. No. I have the webhook URL event. Okay. Trigger webhook. The JSON needs to be something like payload. It needs to act as if we. So, what exactly we need is title, description, and then what? Video URL. Video URL is going to be my, I know how to set it up. Okay, so HTTP media URL equals to os.getEnv media URL. Let's add this one as well. Yeah, we can just create something like this. HTTP. Oh, I didn't know if it can access. Oh, it's ls. Okay, cd dot dot cd etc cd caddy, and then ls sudo nano caddy file. So basically kind of do the same. It needs to be of 236. How does it know which port to go at? Oh, I might need to do this one instead of that one. Remove all these. AT60. I think that's the one I have. AT60. Yep, 8060. Okay. Then I don't need all these. .236, and then we change it to media.blazingbrain.com. Okay. Relax. Yes, caddy. Sudo caddy stop. Sudo caddy start. Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Wonderful. 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 So https media.blazingbrain.com. After this, all it needs to take is the, so media URL is this one, and then inside URL we need to pass, the webhook URL is different. That's not the URL which I want. Or maybe I can just create all the, no, that's not. The webhook URL is going to be webhook URL, and then it's going to be file URL, and let's say the file URL is something like, oh, video URL is right here. So what do I have here? Okay, we have the slash, so it will take the, that file path name probably. Okay, I would like to just remove the line 1 second, and then it's done. Siddhant, hey Siddhant, welcome back, bro. I need to get used to, in the chat. I'm more focused on this. I've totally forgot about. Oh, it's already 12. So let's see if the video. Let's just fix the webhook. Once that is done, I can just determine. We are not using this. Okay. Payload. All it needs is this data. That missing the required parameter title. Where is it being missed? Oh, it's coming from the response. Okay. Title, and the other thing is description, and the other thing is video URL. Okay, seems fine so far. Redetermine structure and then run it one more time. We see missing parameter video URL. What? Okay, I didn't save it. Okay, webhook triggered successfully and then successfully determined. Wonderful. Now what? Is it done? The moment I get the data structure. Oh, what would it return? That's the. I have the webhook. Fine. Then save. Do I get something here? Okay, now I have it. Now I have it. Now I have it. Let's see. Oh, how would I respond to that? We don't need AWS, so ignore it. AWS, ignore it. So where can I get the video part? So title is from here. The video is made for kids. No video contains older. No description. Video category. File. Map. Module. PTP. Oh, this is where it comes from. Okay. So we have the file. Uh, this is is going to be challenging. So I get the file from the HTTP and then JSON string. I don't know what kind of JSON I get. That's the problem. Let's say if I don't need it, then so what happens after it gets a file? Uh, Okay, I get the file. Get the file, and after that I'm seeing issues. The problem is I get it here, then what? Accept YouTube upload. That's what I get. Oh, if enabled JSON payloads are returned as strings. No, I don't want that. Okay. So it will be returned as this one. I have the URL, that's one thing I'm sure of. Title is here and then description is here. Title is here, description is here, data map, and then data. Where can I get the data? App file name. Public. For now, let's set it to private. Publish at no needed. Description. Everything is fine so far. The only problem is I don't know how to give the file to this. Maybe can I have a module? Maybe we can have like file files.com, files cloud, wave files, http. That's where I get the file from. So it gets the file, and what happens? Automatically retrieve the files and sends data using HTTP actions, streamline file management and data transfer from HTTP. Get a file. Okay, create a custom web flow. Okay. Where will it be stored? That's the question. In make.com, I use HTTP file module, and in the next module, which is YouTube upload, I want to upload that file. Thinking longer for a better answer. I honestly want to test this one time. Okay, use the right module, pick the HTML, get a file. Okay, in URL, put the file URL optional. I don't know about this. This module output is a file bundle with fields like data, file name, and content type. Okay, data as data from HTML. That makes no sense, but we'll definitely try. So data from HTML, like data consume. No, I'm not getting anything. So let's maybe refresh. Do I have to Save, right? Okay, scenario was saved. Refresh. Just to make sure things are working fine or not. So YouTube doing its thing. Oh, file, get a file, HTTP. Yes, finally. So ultimately, I just need to do a refresh. So it's title, and then it's description. Okay. Video category, let's say education. It's fine. Privacy. For now, let's set it unlisted. Save. Is there any errors here? Save. Okay. And now I need to trigger this. Need to trigger this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Webhook triggered once. The operation. There is the logs. Webhook YouTube. Oh, this is turned off. 2 credits. Scenario usage last 7 days. I have no idea. Manual, and it says error. Details. What went wrong? IP address is not valid. That video. What? Okay. Okay, I need to set the path. Okay, 1 second. Okay, boys. Let's see. Trigger, go. Okay, warning. HTTP response is large. How can I get the video? So get file is it is working. Okay, so is there any other way to get the file? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. So I thought with HTTP get a file, enter the URL of the file you want to download. You can use the file map in the file data object in the scenario. But what is the limit of the file? Okay. Size, data, file limit exceeded. Okay. I have no idea. File, get a file. Retrieve a file. File stage. So files.com, e-file cabinet, http, make AI agents, Google Drive, monday.com, file robot. Make.com, get file. I don't know this would take this long. Okay. There must be a file insertion limit in the craft PDF, therefore it's showing. Oh, free is 5. Hmm. Maybe I can try YouTube API one last time tomorrow. Right? Until then, peace. This is not possible, and then I don't see any other way to do it. Uh, files.com, file conversion, free FTP service. Dropbox has an FTP server? Try it for free. Okay, 30 days free trial, then what? I have no idea. I have no idea. So YouTube API is the only way, I guess. I'll see what I can do. Till then, peace. We'll see you guys tomorrow.